Welcome to our comprehensive guide on how to unfollow someone in X. Sometimes it's necessary to refine your feed and focus on the content that truly interests you. In this video, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process of unfollowing someone in X. Let's get started. Step 1. Open X on your device. Once the app is open, you'll be taken to the main screen. Step 2. Next, find the account you want to unfollow. This can be done by searching for the username or scrolling through your feed. Once you've located the account, tap on it to access their profile. Step 3. On the account's profile, look for the following button. It is typically positioned near the top of the screen, indicating that you are currently following the account. Tap on the following button to reveal additional options. Step 4. Among the options that appear, find and tap on Unfollow. This action will prompt a confirmation dialog box to appear. Step 5. Confirm your decision to unfollow the account by tapping on the appropriate button in the dialog box. X will then unfollow the account, removing their content from your feed. And there you have it. You have successfully unfollowed someone in X, allowing you to curate your feed and focus on the content that truly resonates with you. Thank you for watching, and may your X experience be tailored to your interests and preferences.